One morning at school, Max picked up his pencil and suddenly, achoo! The pencil sneezed. Max was shocked and asked, "Did you just sneeze?" The pencil replied playfully, "Yeah, I'm allergic to math." Every time the teacher wrote numbers on the board, the pencil sneezed louder. Achoo! 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 The pencil sneezed loudly. Then the pencil whispered to Max, "If I sneeze 10 times, something crazy will happen." Max counted nervously. 1, 2, 3, 7, 9. Then came the biggest sneeze. The pencil exploded with a huge sneeze. Achoo! Papers flew everywhere. Books spun across the room, and the teacher's wig landed on the goldfish bowl. The class roared with laughter. Max sighed in relief. But then the pencil twitched again and said worriedly, "Uh-oh, I think I'm allergic to homework too." Ha 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 ha.